Hi there, welcome to 3300 Maplethorpe Lane. My name is Lynn, and this is a beautiful development. I will be here hosting an open house for 105 Staggi Lane. But this whole development, there's only 11 homes in this development, and it's beautiful. I met the former owner, Mrs. Staggi, and anyway, it used to be an orchid area. This whole area, but let me flip the camera and share with you this court. So here we are, Staggi Lane. Over here is Staggi Lane, over here, Maplethorpe Gardens. It's beautiful, new development, 11 homes, and 4 have already been taken. So we're preparing Staggi Court, and you can see some of these homes, I mean, we're still developing and we're accepting offers. But you see, this is just so beautifully done. All of these homes are 3 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, 2.5 baths, except the top one. But this home over here, 16 Staggi Court, is already pending. So this is a very beautiful property, and this is 5 Staggi Lane, and I will be hosting an open house today from 1 to 4 p.m. and love to share with you the plans and more about this great community. Okay, take care. Hope you're having a great day.